Hey guys, I love a good advent calendar and I picked this one up off of Amazon. It is Lego styled minifigures. These are not Lego brand, which means that this is something I could actually afford to do. And I am going to unbox it with you today. Who am I? I'm Jacqueline. This is Homeschool Hangout.xyz, where I normally just share tips and tricks about homeschooling and raising your kids so that you can homeschool in peace and clarity. But today we're doing something different, and we are doing this advent calendar. We are unboxing it. This is something you pick up off of Amazon for a very affordable price. I do not remember exactly what it is. And it is part of my 10 reasonably priced Amazon advent calendars you can get that go with a different video. But I didn't want to unbox them there. So let's start in day one. Minifigures. We all know minifigures are the things that don't come very easily. There's not a lot of them in any set, and they're expensive to buy separately. So I tend to buy off-brand, I admit it, in this. But this looks like actually we're starting off with possibly, Santa. So you've got a block for him to stand on and a few accessories to put together. And then there's the little minifigure. Cute. Okay, so we got Santa for day number 1, which is, perfect for Christmas. Let's go to day number 2. I figured the 24 minifigs. Who could go wrong with that? Okay, and so they come in these plastic bags, as you could tell. And this is a doctor. We've got a doctor here. Is there a doctor? I wished I would have done this when my kids were younger. I'll be honest. I just wish I had, because minifigures were something that were always so prized and kept close and everything. One year I did buy a whole set of Avengers ones off of eBay for Easter. And that's the other secret. If you're watching this and it's not Christmas time, you can get these and put them in Easter eggs, which is what I did with ours. So we've got this guy, just a dude with a scarf. So a little guy here. Okay. Day 3. Let's see what day 4 is. If it's anything noticeable or just a person. Both are good. Both are good because they can be whoever you want them to be, right? And you can always mix and match accessories too. Okay, this one. Is this Deadpool? Looks like a superhero-y kind of Deadpool type character. Of course, he's not Deadpool. This is not the... oh, it looks like Deadpool, but he also has a Santa hat. So, cute. That was day 4. Let's see, day 5. I loved advent calendars. I always have loved them. I get usually Trader Joe's 12-day for me, and I make a candy one for the kids with, clearance candy, because what else would you do? Okay, there we go. And you can make them by getting little treat boxes and taping them together, or I got on clearance, because I could not have afforded any other way, the wooden one from Walmart. Okay. Guy who you could easily say is just about anyone you want. A little Christmas-ish outfit. But also, frankly, it looks like Batman to me in a Christmas sweater. Seriously, looks a little bit like Batman in a Christmas sweater to me. All right, that was day 5. Let's see, day 6. But that is the thing. If your kids get in here and are expecting these to all be a brand name or specific ones or Minecraft, you need to warn them they're not. So it looks like everybody's got a Christmas hat, but that Christmas hat is not, but it looks like they also have some sort of hair. So this little man has a cape and an S on his chest. So he's got a cape. And like I said, they've got heads. You don't have to put the Christmas hat on them if you don't want to. You can though. Let's see. That was 6. There we go. Oh, I see blue. There's also blue in the back, so that doesn't help. Oh, a policeman. Got a policeman with a policeman's hat. So yeah, some of these are definitely Christmassy, and some of these are definitely not. Okay, let's see. This one is... it says Dodge across it. Okay, so this is a car racing guy. He's got a little helmet with a little visor, too. So cool. That was day 8. My box is already starting to come apart up here, so just be warned about that. But it's cardboard. It's not supposed to last from season to season. This is day 9. Let's get him out of that stripe and see what he's... Jumpsuit. Looks like he could be a soccer guy or a car racing guy. Let's see. You got a helmet. You have a helmet for him, so yeah. 9. It's also the game of finding your number, right? I love Christmas. I love Christmas and Hanukkah, so. I am not sure. He's got a little badge on him, and he's got a helmet to go with him. So possibly a police officer, that's what I'm thinking. So that's 10. Oh, do you like Christmas? Do you celebrate Hanukkah? Because I've not seen like 8-day Hanukkah calendars. And that's kind of sad, you know. But you know, you get gifts for 8 nights on Hanukkah. In some households, we don't. We also do Christmas, so. Okay, let's see. You got this guy. He reminds me of Indiana Jones, or she. So we got a woman. We do have a woman. There is a woman. She's got a little jacket on and ponytail. So it could be a woman or not a woman. It's up to you. But to me, I automatically go woman. It's like her lips are a little pinker. You know, they're not real big on that unless you go with the Lego friends. Okay. Day 12. And then over in my other videos, I also have a link to a total of 10 different ones, including like the craft advent calendar, the science experiments advent calendar. This says RMA, and he's got another helmet. One gray guy. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the science experiments ones. I wished we would have gotten that when we were younger. I'd never seen that when my kids were younger. And, you know, I'm thinking about doing what I wish I would have had when my kids were younger edition of homeschool stuff. Okay, this is a woman also in definitely a tracksuit kind of uniform. She's got a Santa hat. But she also has hair and a head. And looks kind of like a ninja. So yeah, that's cool. I love a ninja, right? It's 13. 14. There we go. Okay. Got ourselves a dude in a Hawaiian shirt. Cute. Hawaiian shirt dude. 15. So yeah, there are minifigures in every day. I was kind of wondering if there'd be days where they were just accessories, and I'm happy to see there aren't. Another gentleman with like a badge. And hair. He's got a little beard. Got a stack of minifigures who I'm expecting to hear, oh, I wish you would have gotten this when we were kids, is my 19-year-old. He'll be home from work soon. A gentleman in a little navy uniform. He has arms and his legs and his all kinds of little hat and everything. Cute. So there are a variety. Some have occupations. Some don't. A lot of Christmas hats you can use if you want. But they also have the other head accessories like hares, hats, and stuff. Let's see, what's this one? This one, he's got like a red suit, like a firefighter. I think he's a firefighter. They don't have all the accessories that might come with the profession sometimes, but I don't think that's a big deal. So 17. Had a lot of little hoses in our Lego sets that they could use. We are going to see if I have nail polish left after this. I think I'm going to wreck my nails with it. Okay, this one is super Christmassy. But it also has a gold lariat. And maybe a woman. So, I don't know what to think about that. Cute. And like I said, these are not Lego brand, but they are Lego compatible. So, I know I like unboxing videos, but it's like so much unboxing, right? Okay, day 19. We're almost done. We're almost done. Hold in there. Another little guy in a little white suit with a helmet. If you've made it this far, I want to know what your favorite chocolate is. Yeah, I'm in that mood. What's your favorite chocolate? Okay. Well, Thanos may be angry with you. He's purple. He's got a Christmas hat, but he does not look happy. He does not look happy. No, no, no. I'm here. I'm at the party, but I did not come to have fun, I think is what he is saying to you. 21. My husband likes to take all the drawers on our wooden advent calendar and arrange them weird every year. And the kids are like, why can't they just be in order, Dad? And he, no. Gentleman in a blue outfit. We're almost done. We're almost done. It's 21. Have you watched any Hallmark movies yet? I've been seeing the commercials. They're all out. Saw the commercials in October. They were all out. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, a Christmas Captain America. Look at his shield. It's green and red. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is too cute. Okay, day 23. We got, I cannot read that because I'm old. Petros. This Petros thing's in a red suit. And the last day. The last day. The last day is, she's all in white. She's all in white. The ponytail. So yeah, so this gives your kids a whole bunch of minifigures to play with and use their imaginations for. Pretty cool. If you want to see what else is in my top 10 that I've gotten this year so far, make sure to check the eye. Also, I'm going to be unboxing my Super Mario one next. So make sure you stay tuned. Come back for it. It may already be in the eye too. Talk to you later. Bye.